Hey, hope you guys are doing well. This is Edgar from Solo Marketer, and in today's video, I'm going to quickly show you how to host a video on System.io. Different ways you can do it. We'll go through those options. So just to start it off, you can host the video on a landing page, like I'm going to show you in the example. You can also do it in the courses section when you're setting up a course, and you can also do it on a blog. So there's like different places you can host the videos on System, and there's no limit. Even if you have a free account, as far as I remember, there's no limit on how many videos you can upload. So yeah, we're going to use a landing page as an example. So I guess we can just set up, let's just do it's just a basic landing page. There's not going to be a lot of logic. I just want to show you the functionality. So let's just add a section, right? Let's just add it to the top. And what you want to do is you want to find video, which is here. Let's drag it in. Now we see the video is in, the default one, so let's click on it. And here you have several options. As you can see, you can do direct link, you can do custom embed, or you can upload a file. So direct link, I do that with YouTube videos. I have my video, let's say, like for some courses, I have an unlisted video, right? Not private, not public, unlisted. Then only for, for the course people. So I can just paste that link in here. You can also do like Wistia or Vimeo videos, like custom embeds. You can do those and upload, which is actually pretty good. These are the ones where like you have no limit. You can just upload any amount of videos, and they're stored on System.io servers. So let's try out one. So now what you want to do is you want to click on this little cloud icon to upload the video that's going to be hosted on System.io. So let's click on it. Let's select the file. I have like one of my YouTube videos pre-prepared over here. So let's select, and I'm going to skip over to once it's done. Okay, the video is up. And now we click insert. So as you can see, the video is here. Yeah, let's go through there's a couple other important things once you've uploaded the video. So obviously the first one is autoplay, which is this is often on sales pages where they land and the video starts playing automatically with the sound off. And once they click on it, they can listen to it. Yeah, I think most of the time I have it off, but try out both ways. If it's just like a course, then obviously it's off. Or if it's like a blog, nobody likes just the video start playing. So yeah, most of the time I guess have it off. Controls, I usually like to have them on. Maybe sometimes on sales pages you can see that they don't have the controls, but I usually like for the controls to be there. And also, if you have one, you can upload a thumbnail. Like in this case, I'm going to show you. There we go. So it just looks slightly better as opposed to like a screenshot, in my opinion, but you don't have to put it on there. But that's just so you know that it's an option. And also, make sure to take a look at the resizing options and all that stuff. You can mess around with the margins and the shadows and the padding and all that stuff. So make sure to check that out as well. But this is like the most important part. So obviously we can save changes, and then we can preview the page, and now we can check it out. So this is the video. What I would do, I would probably make it smaller. I would tinker with the margins. And just kind of make them bigger, so it kind of squeezes, like it makes the actual video frame smaller, because now it's kind of, it might be a little bit confusing. Like, what is this? They have to scroll, and only then they see that there's a play button, right? So maybe I would make it smaller, but so yeah, that's pretty straightforward. And if you have any other questions about hosting a video on System, just comment below, and yeah, I'll do my best to help, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.